This is Mamatasan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. First of all, I will start drawing from the right plane. In the right plane, I will draw this shape first. Okay. For drawing this shape, we can see that this line has a dimension of 32 unit, and then this vertical line has a dimension of 60 unit. Then we can say this small vertical line has a dimension of 12 unit. Then this horizontal line has a dimension of 7 unit. Then this vertical line has a dimension of 22 unit. Then I will draw an inclined line of 30-degree angle from here. Okay. Then I will draw another horizontal line here. Then I will trim this extra portion. So after that I will extrude boss it. I can see it has a dimension of 45 units, so I will extrude boss it to 45 unit from the mid plane. Okay, so I'm selecting the right plane here. Now sketch. Now select the line tool and place the line tool here. Now draw a horizontal line of 32 unit. So after that draw a vertical line and draw a vertical line of 60 unit. So again select the line tool and draw a small vertical line, line of small vertical line of 12 unit. Then draw a horizontal line of 7 unit. Then draw a vertical line of 22 unit. Okay, so after drawing that, draw an inclined line, and this inclined line has a dimension of 30 degrees. So select this my dimension tool, select this line and this inclined line. Okay, now set the angle to 30 degree. Okay, setting the angle to 30 degree. The angle has been set. Okay, again select the line tool and point this line tool here and draw a horizontal line. Okay, now select the trim tool and now I will trim this line and this line. So we have gotten the shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 45 unit and now extrude boss it from the mid plane. Okay, now press OK. So we have gotten the shape. Now we will draw this portion. For drawing this portion in our sketch, first of all I will again select the right plane. Okay, from that we can see this circular profile has a radius of 10 unit. So I will draw a radius of 10 unit circle here, and after drawing the circle I will, from this point I will draw a tangent line here, and from this point I will draw another tangent line here. Then I will close this 2 point, and after that we can see we have an inner extrude cut circle here, and this inner extrude cut circle has a diameter of 8 unit, and we can see this portion has a extrude boss of 12 unit. But here the point is that we don't have the angle between this and this face to this face, or any angle of this plane. Okay, so how we will measure this angle of tangent? So first of all I will assume that this line and this plane is 90 degree, but I will remove that later, and then I will manually uh, place the angle to this point. Okay, let me demonstrate. For this select the right plane here. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select we can see the distance from this point to this here has a 30 unit. Okay, so first of all I will select the circle tool here and place the circle here and draw a radius of 10 unit circle. So the radius is 10 units, so it will diameter will be 10 multiplied by 2, so 20 unit. Okay, after that select the smart dimension tool, and this line to this line the distance dimension will be 30 unit. Okay, I'm setting the distance dimension to 30 unit. Okay, we have drawn that. Now press OK. Now select a line tool and place the line here, and before drawing this line hover your line to here, and now you can see it has a perpendicular relation. Okay, so draw a line of perpendicular here. Okay, after drawing that line you can see select this line and set them perpendicular. Okay, this line is now perpendicular. Now select this line and select this circle and make them tangent. Now press OK. Now again select another line and point this line to here and draw another line like this way. Okay. Now this time select this circle and this line and make them tangent also. Now press OK. So after that, select the trim option. Okay, selecting the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part we don't need. Now press OK. Now we have another inner extrude circle, so I am selecting the circle and place the circle here and draw a 8 diameter circle. So after that, select the line tool and close the shape. So I am closing the shape. Now press OK. Now uh, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 12 unit. Okay, extrude boss it to 12 unit and it from the mid plane. Now press OK. So in our sketch we can see this portion and this portion. In the main sketch, this portion and this portion is not matching because we don't have the angle. For that we need to manually set the angle. So how we will set that? For this, select that Extrude 2 option and now select edit sketch again. Okay, this time select this perpendicular line and in your keyboard select delete button. Okay, again select this perpendicular option, select it delete. Now you will set this manually. How will set this manually? So I am going to zoom here and select this circle. Okay, select this circle point. Okay, now you can see you can hover this. Okay, you can change it. So I am changing manually like here. Okay, now you can see this line and this line in this sketch are quite matching. So now press OK. So now select this option. Now you can see our sketch is quite matching with the sketch. Okay, now we will draw this portion in our sketch. For drawing this portion, first of all we can see that we have a circular profile here. Okay, we have a circular profile and this circular profile has a dimension of 10 radius and it has a distance of 30 unit from this line. Okay, the distance will be 30 unit and this vertical distance is 26 unit, and then I will draw a tangent line from here to here. After that we can see we have a Stuttgart circle here. This Stuttgart circle has a 10 diameter. So after drawing that I will draw this portion in the right plane and then I will extrude it to 10 unit plus 13 unit plus 10 unit, and after that in this face I will draw a rectangular profile like here and then I will extrude this portion. Okay, so let me demonstrate. And now select the right plane here. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the circle. Place select the circle here and place the circle here and draw a circle of 10 radius. So the diameter will be 10 multiplied by 2, 20 radius. Okay, after that we need to draw a horizontal line of 30 units. So select the line tool and place in this point and draw a horizontal line of 30 unit. Okay, so I have drawn a horizontal line of 30 unit. Okay, let me trim this. I am trimming this portion. I will select Smart Dimension tool here and dimension from this line to this circle 30 unit. Okay, and I will select the line tool here and draw a horizontal line. Okay, drawing a horizontal line. Now select this line and select this circle together. Okay, after that make them tangent. Now press OK. Now it is getting the shape. Now we will select another line tool here and place the line here and draw another inclined line. Okay, we have drawn an inclined line and select the smart dimension tool from this, but this horizontal line to this point the distance is 26 unit. Okay, the distance is 26 unit, and now press OK. Now select this circle and this inclined line and now make them tangent line. Now press OK. Now select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary part then we don't need. Now press OK. Now this time we need to set the extrude cut circle. For setting the extrude cut circle, select the circle tool and place the extrude cut circle here, and now dimension it to 10 diameter. Okay, after that select the line tool and close the shape. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it from the mid plane and the dimension will be 10 plus 13 plus 10 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now in here we need to draw a extrude cut rectangle here. For that I will select this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the center line here and hover your mouse from here to here. You can see we have some dotted line, so it is indicating the mid line. So select this point and draw a vertical line. After that select the offset entities and select this line. Now we'll draw a rectangle. As the rectangle has a total dimension of 13 unit, so the offset unit of half dimension will be 13 divided by 2 unit. Now make sure to select the bidirectional, cap int and line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now select this arrow and extend this. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now last portion, in the last portion you can see we have two extrude cut circle, one is here and another is here, but this extrude cut circle dimension is not given, so we are assuming as this two circle has a dimension of 10 unit and in this place in here this circle has a dimension of 8 units, so I am assuming these two circle will be 8 unit diameter, or you can assume as you want. Okay, now we can see this circle has a distance of, from this horizontal line has a distance of 9 unit, and this two circle from this line to this line the distance is 27 unit, and both the circle has a vertical distance of and this of 12 unit. Okay, so let's draw this. So I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select the circle here and place the circle here. Now dimension it to 8 diameter, and now again draw another circle of 8 diameter. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool, select this circle and this line, the distance is 9 unit. Okay, the distance is 9 unit, and again select this circle and this circle, the distance is 27 unit. Okay, the total distance is 27 unit. Now select this line and this line and the distance is 12 unit, and select this line and this line and set the distance to 12 unit. Okay, now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.